video here today. I've bought a few of the Deity C23 kind of timecode converter cables for the FX3 and FX30, and I kind of expected that they might not work super well with the Tentacle Sync E Mark IIs that I use for my kind of commercial stuff, just because they had different companies and whatnot, and the Deity ones had a locking connector and the Tentacle Sync ones do not. So I tried them out, wanted to see if it would work, and it kind of worked, but it wasn't stable. Like if I had it plugged in and like rotated slightly wrong, it would lose connection, and rotate it back and it would gain the connection again, and it just wasn't working great. So I kind of looked at some options online, and I could not find like a locking female 3.5 mil TRS to normal TRS cable anywhere. Like I looked Sweetwater, B&H, Amazon, Guitar Center, couldn't find one of them. So after that, I looked into like cutting off the connector, but that didn't really work. That it's brass, so it's super tough, and it's really small in there. So after kind of looking, I decided to see if my dad had a bench grinder, which he does, and I'm gonna see how it works. Hopefully it works to convert these and make it work, because this is again way better than Sony's implementation. Sony's connector, I wrapped some Velcro around it to get even anywhere close to how Deity has it set up, so good on you, Deity. Sony, fine, but not great. Sorry if the audio is rough. I wasn't really planning on doing this, so I don't have a microphone for the camera, but what I'm going to do is actually tape with some gaff tape around the 3.5 mil connector here to kind of protect it, then very slowly and gently push it into the grinder, and just kind of because this spins, just kind of let it spin and slowly grind itself down, grind its way down until it gets low enough, then test it with the FX30, which I might need to get a clip from my phone because I only have a little camera, and see how it goes. Important. All right, well, let's see how it goes. Well, that is looking pretty good, pretty flat there. Our next step is to check and see if it works with the Tentacle Sync. Look at that. All right, that feels way better than it did. take a look in the app. This is plugged in. I'll pop it off. Pop it out. Timecode cable unplugged. Plugged in. There we go. Nice. It looks like that connection works. It feels basically as solid as like a normal kind of TRS. Yeah, normal TRS connection. And yeah, I'll have to do a quick, probably phone clip to make sure that it works, plugging it into the FX30 here, but I'm feeling pretty good about that. A lot better than buying 8 new TC1s. Sorry, Deity, but since I already have 8 Tentacle Sync boxes, I would rather not, as nice as they are. Obviously not sponsored. So let's do a quick clip over here. Alright, so we can see it plugged in here. We got time code going, 44, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so unfortunately you can't see this because I don't have my screen recorder or anything. But, I'm just going to read off what's on the screen over here and just kind of show this here. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. This is what's on the camera, not what's on the phone. So, looks like it's synced. Looks like it works. That's great. I'm really excited. And yeah, I'm really happy with this rando little modification. I bought it. I should be able to do what I want with it. So yeah, I like the Tentacle Sync boxes a lot. Again, I have 8 of them. I do really like how well they integrate with the Track E body pack recorders, which Deity doesn't really have anything like that. So it's nice that I could kind of use the Deity cables, which are vastly superior to the Sony cables in this one. And yeah, don't know what this video was, just random little thing. Show that it's possible to modify them if you want to use it with your Tentacle Sync. So yeah, thanks for watching. And do the whole like, subscribe thing. And yeah,